Like my little cow, she's got the red cross, but she's a blue cow. So in comes the question. If you take a look at the front of this cow, you see the face on the cow? Don't you see the face? Look at the cow. It's a man holding a blue bag. Do you see it? It's a cow. But the minute you cut it off, you think they're trying to tell us something? What is the Red Cross? I haven't looked up many things, and there's so many things to do, but I noticed there was someone from Portugal that was watching. So, and I'm thinking, I'm going, Portugal, porridge. The three little bears in porridge. The three bears, this bowl, this is too hot, and this is too cold, and oh, this one's just right. So the three parts of the mind. We test the mind, they test our mind. Portugal says gold, the gold of the one angel of 6. Then it says T, which is the dog. T is number 26. The one angel of 6, the dog, tuer, to go, to kill the dog, it says. And then gal at the end is like you have a cut of some sort. And then when you look at it, it says galag. Ava. Who's Ava? Ava's the cat. To tuer means to kill the golden cat, the golden statue. Kill 2 cats with 1 stone. Kill 2 cats with 1 stone, because there's 2 cats. 2 cats. 2 cats. 2 go. 2 go. 2 cats. 2 cats. Because a cat represents the transmission of the energy, the angel transmission, the angle of the transmission. And to kill a cat is like a tack. A tick and a tack, a tic-tac, or tick-tock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. To kill the cat. 2 cats with 1 stone. Portugal says the rope to kill galag. Well, 3 years ago, okay, for some reason I turned the word of lavau into galag. You see, Portugal ends with A-L, okay, angel life, 1 and 3, which is good. But somehow there's something that's tagged onto them that's keeping them down, and now they want to kill the cat, and they know it. You see, when names were made, nobody really knew. To them it was just a name. But in the system we're in, everything means something. Everything's going to mean something. It doesn't matter what it is. It can be you're going to the bathroom. It doesn't matter. But everything will reflect on something else, and according to how you think is how the reflection will come upon your thoughts. So this is to kill a cat. Here is galag. So the question is, what is velvel? Velvel or velvet, okay? Something to do with velvet. Velvel's my grandfather's name, to kill the cat. So the royal is what they're actually talking about. Cat may be number 24. Take off 7. Because when God started everything, he added 1 over to 6 and made a 7. So cat of 24, okay, is actually 17. But it's not the right 17. 1 and 7 equals 8 heaven. 1 spirit of 7. What do you mean 7? The only way to make 7 is to take 4 and 3 and put it together, which is a triangle and a square, Mars and Earth, the only 2 planets that do not have the letter U. It's almost like saying, how can you make orange? We'll take a little yellow and blue, yellow and red. Well, if you want to take yellow and red, that's the value of 7 and the value of 5, 7 and 5. Let me write this down. 1 and 9 equals 10 equals 7. 3 and 11 equals 14 equals 5. And we have what else we have? We have 5 and 13 equals 18 equals 9. And okay, look at it. Here we go. These are the pool balls. You see, in pool, number 13 is the letter M, and the color for the letter M is the E letter. And guess what? They're 8 apart between the M and E, making the angel resident. We have the cat. When you see 10, the 1 and the 9 ball, plus the 3 and the 11 in red, says the 24 of the cat. When you narrow it all down, or let me add up the totals go to 24, 34, 42. And 42, 13 is 14, 14, 14, which is 13 and 1 on the cross. So we know something's going on there. All of a sudden, you have to add 6 onto it. it becomes 48 and part of the spirit of 48. And the reflection of everything is 5, 7, and 9, which is 21. And that's one cube in the Urantia world. So what that exactly means, I can't actually tell you, but the cat is connected to us. It's part of our communication. Our ears are up, but our ears are down. Do we really need our ears up? Jesus was like this in the Da Vinci Code, waiting for something to come into his ear. And now I'm not going to get into the Da Vinci Code right now. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 plus 5 is 12. You have 47. Let's say 47. 47, that's the number for time. Time cat. Tomcat. Tom, cat, mockingbird. Mockingbird. Tom, moth. Tom backwards is the word. M-O-T in French is the word. Mo. Cat is the word. Mo. Cat is the word, which means bite your tongue. Cat got your tongue. It means keep quiet. So that's what this whole thing means. Portugal is they're telling Portugal to stay quiet. The cat got their tongue, and they know what's going on. And Galaga is the Galactica angel series of the Federation. To kill a cat, to kill a mockingbird. Birds hang on a wire. The wires buzz, and they pick up their information that way. And the cats like the birds because they know they got information, and the cat's got his tongue, so they got to keep it quiet. Cat's got to keep it quiet. But the cat is locked up inside the little square because he's locked up in man's mind. Somehow we got cat scratch fever and we can't figure it out. I think the cat is good. I think both animals are good. It just has to do with the name of it and what happens with it. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. I know I didn't say too much, but I got to go to bed. Thank you very much for watching, Portugal.